The V Star 250 is incredibly reliable, and the chrome details really make it stand out.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Welcome back to Wheelhouse. Today we're talking about the 2026 Yamaha V Star 250, a small displacement cruiser that keeps things simple, approachable and genuinely fun. If you want classic V twin style, without the intimidation factor of a big, heavyweight bike, this one is built to be an easy yes. What the 2026 V Star 250 is all about. The V Star 250 sits in a rare sweet spot. It looks like a traditional cruiser, sounds and feels like a V-twin, and stays lightweight enough for new riders and smaller riders to manage confidently. It's the kind of motorcycle that's less about chasing specs and more about enjoying every ride, whether that's a short commute, a weekend back road loop, or your first season on two wheels. Engine and performance, small V-twin character. At the heart of the 2026 V Star 250 is its 249cc air-cooled V-twin, a configuration you don't see often in this class anymore. The appeal isn't just the number on paper. It's the character. Power delivery is friendly and predictable, with enough punch for city streets and relaxed back road cruising. It's not built for high-speed touring, but it's great at the speeds most riders actually use. Day-to-day transmission and ride feel. A 5-speed transmission keeps operations straightforward, and the bike's overall demeanor encourages smooth, low-stress riding. New riders will appreciate how manageable the throttle response is, while experienced riders may enjoy it as a lightweight, no-drama cruiser that still feels like a real motorcycle. Not just a beginner tool. Comfort, ergonomics, and confidence. The V Star 250's ergonomics. Lean classic cruiser, a low seat height, easy reach to the bars, and a laid-back riding position that helps you feel planted at stops. That low compact stance can make the bike feel instantly familiar, even if you're stepping up from a scooter or learning clutch control for the first time for daily use. That comfort and confidence factor is a big part of the bike's charm. Handling light, stable, and city-friendly, where bigger cruisers can feel heavy at parking lot speeds. The V Star 250 stays nimble. It's easy to turn, easy to U-turn, and easy to thread through tight urban spaces. The lighter weight also makes it less tiring in stop-and-go traffic, especially for riders who don't want to wrestle a full-size cruiser every time they roll out of the driveway. Braking and everyday practicality in real-world riding. The V Star 250 is about predictability. Braking is tuned for control rather than aggression, matching the bike's beginner-friendly mission for ownership. Practicality. This model's long running platform is known for being straightforward to live with. Simple layout, accessible maintenance, and a community of owners with years of shared tips and experience. Style. Classic cruiser without the bulk. Visually, the V Star 250 delivers the classic Formula low profile, teardrop tank vibe, and that unmistakable V-twin silhouette. It gives riders a traditional cruiser look without the size, weight, and cost that usually come with it. If you want something that looks right parked outside a cafe or lined up at a meet, this bike checks the box. Who this bike is for. The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 makes the most sense for new riders who want a true cruiser feel in a manageable package, riders who value low seat height and easy handling, commuters who want something light, efficient, and simple, experienced riders looking for a small, fun second bike with V-twin character. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha V Star 250 isn't trying to be the fastest or the most high-tech. It's trying to be approachable, good-looking, and enjoyable every time you ride it. And for a lot of people, that's exactly the point. Outro. Thanks for watching Wheelhouse. If you want more straightforward motorcycle breakdowns, what a bike feels like, who it's for, and why it matters, make sure you subscribe and keep it locked right here on Wheelhouse.
Yamaha V Star 250 isn't trying to be the fastest or the most high-tech. It's trying to be approachable, good-looking, and enjoyable every time you ride it. And for a lot of people, that's exactly the point. Outro. Thanks for watching Wheelhouse. If you want more straightforward motorcycle breakdowns, what a bike feels like, who it's for, and why it matters, make sure you subscribe and keep it locked right here on Wheelhouse.